The Pixel 9a has surfaced once again, this time making a surprise appearance at a Lucha Libre event, giving us a chance to see its camera in action. A YouTube short from Alexis Garza has provided a closer look at Google's upcoming mid-range phone, highlighting new details about its design and camera performance. With numerous leaks already out, there isn't much mystery left before the official reveal. In the video, the Pixel 9a is shown in what seems to be the obsidian color, maintaining Google's minimalist design approach. While the overall look isn't drastically different from previous models, there is a noticeable change in the camera module. Instead of the traditional camera bar that Pixel phones are known for, this one features a smaller and less protruding bump. The front of the device is briefly visible, and reports suggest it has a display measuring around 6.3 inches with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. What really stands out in this leak is the camera quality. The footage includes several clips from the event, showcasing how the Pixel 9 performs in real-world video recording. Despite possible compression affecting the final quality, the video appears clear and stable. There's also a demonstration of the zoom function, but it's still uncertain how much optical zoom the phone will provide. A few still images are displayed as well, though it's unclear if they were captured separately or taken from the recorded video. Leaks indicate that the Pixel 9a will be equipped with a 48-megapixel main camera and a 13-megapixel ultra-wide sensor. A selfie sample shown in the video suggests that Google's signature color accuracy is present, though the actual quality may vary due to compression. Even so, for a mid-range phone, the results seem promising. The official launch is expected on March 26, but at this stage, nearly everything about the Pixel 9a has already been revealed, from detailed renders to hands-on videos and even an unexpected appearance in the background of a different phone leak. This device has been hard to keep a secret. Apart from the updated camera design, major changes seem limited. The Pixel 9a is rumored to be powered by Google's Tensor G4 chip, which should deliver reliable performance for everyday use and AI-driven features. Battery life appears to be getting a boost as well, with a 5,100 mAh battery, a notable increase over the previous model. Pricing could be a concern as leaks suggest a potential increase. The base 128GB variant is expected to start at $499, while the 256GB model may cost $599. That's a $50 jump compared to its predecessor's higher storage option, which might make some buyers hesitate. The competition in this price range is tough. Samsung's Galaxy S56, which launched recently at $499, brings a triple camera setup and solid specs, making it a strong alternative. Meanwhile, Apple's iPhone 16e is expected to start at $599, offering Apple's powerful A18 chip and a refined design. With so many choices available, it will be interesting to see if the Pixel 9a manages to attract buyers in an increasingly competitive market. What do you think about the Pixel 9a? Does the battery upgrade and design refresh make it a good choice, or does the potential price increase change your opinion? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you found this update useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech updates.